The last thing recruiters have is time. If you want to find out how to more effectively reach out to your candidates faster, watch this video. In my role, I go through lots of inbound applications as well as source online. I'm able to streamline my process by pulling their information over into sequences of emails and calls in Engage by ZoomInfo. Setting up a workflow is very valuable to me. At ZoomInfo, we call it a talent flow. It helps me with effective outreach, saving time, and hiring a quantity and quality of hires. Workflows help me reach out to a mass quantity of candidates, which results in more quality. That way, I'm able to focus more on getting back to candidates and completing my interviews than spending time sourcing and following up. At the end of the day, recruiting is a numbers game. Optimizing your workflow helps you hit your organization's hiring goals.